What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video review. As always in this channel, I'm going to cover all the cryptocurrency projects, also the cryptocurrency investment website. All of that, it's not a financial advice, so please do your research before going to invest or put your money in any project you mention our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's project, we have already talked about it in the first video, and I advise you to go to the description section to watch the first video about the Zoomex cryptocurrency exchange. And now this is the second video review. Why I'm going to do that? Because there are a lot of features, as well as I want to cover it because for me, as I have talked already in the first video, you can get a great result from great cryptocurrency exchange, especially if you are a beginner or a pro trader. Today's we have already talked about the deposit, also the withdrawal, how you can trade in the market, as well as spot, futures, copy trading, card, etc. You can watch that in the first video and you will see what I am talking about. They have some great competition that you can participate in. Also, you can follow them to get a great information via Telegram, and they do some contacts that you can participate in as well. But in this video, we are going to talk about decentralized exchange, which is Zoomex Decentralized or DEX, which contain a great feature. We will see that in this video. This is the link you will find in the description section, or when you make an account, all you need to do is go here and click in DEX and you can see this interface. After that, you need to connect your wallet. And I mean that whatever you want to connect it, which is MetaMask or Phantom. I am using MetaMask, and they are supporting a lot of cryptocurrency wallets. You can also disconnect and you can add your deposit by clicking deposit and select the token or the currency that you want to deposit with, which is USDT. And after that, you can deposit directly in this exchange. Decentralized cryptocurrency, which contain a great features, which is high leverage, almost 150x, super liquidity, as well as expert trade, privacy protection, flexibility, safe, and worry-free. You can go to the Discord channel to see more details, and if you want to trade, all you should do is click on trade, and this is the interface, guys. We'll find here all the currency that you can trade in, which is Bitcoin. Now it's almost to 100k, as you can see here. You will find the order book, the recent order of anyone have already done that. Also, you will find here the price, the market price, the index, etc. And if you want to get to unlock the 1000x, all you need to do is click here and connect your wallet. I have already used the MetaMask. After that, congratulations, you can also trade the 1000x size exchange. You can see here the future data as well, which is the indicator if you want to trade or to take your position. Also, guys, you open the long position or sell short, and they have some great features, which is the calculator. Choose your leverage, which is 120. Enter the price if you want to long or shorts. Also the closing price, and you will see how much you will get from result. This is work for long and shorts, as you can see here. Also, they have some great indicators and also features, which is trigger price. You can enter it here, or the entry price. You can also calculate the long and the short position before even open it, and that's a great feature about this platform. Also, you can use this place to make a market buy or a sell, which is easy, guys, and for me it's contain a great result, also a great features as well. Don't forget the contest that you can participate in. Register to claim more than 40k USDT welcome bonus. Click in enjoy, and after that enter your information here. First of all, you need to make an account. I have already done that, and after that, congratulations on successfully with Zoomex, you can deposit or buy your cryptocurrency. We have already covered that in the first video. We'll show that also in the second one. Choose your currency and your network, and after that send the payment that you want to your wallet, without forgetting the launchpad that contains some great project that you can participate in. All you need to do is click in view details, make your due diligence, and after that, if you are interested in this project, you can enter and invest in it. But be careful, without forgetting the reward hub, which contains some tasks that you can do and get some great reward, my reward, and event that you can also participate in. Popular event, which is the New Year mystery box, also the Pro S70 trading. You can click in any event you want, and after that you can participate. But first you need to read all the information as well, as you can see here, guys. And in the end, they have some great news, which is the Zoomex card coming soon. You can apply and get your card to buy in the real life, using your card to purchase anything from the real life only by your phone. In the near future, it will be a physical card that you can withdraw from ATM. Fee Pro upgrade, sign up reward and get $5 to $10. Cashback spending 1%, $0 on annual fees, which is great, guys. And if you want to get more and more information, I advise you to follow them via Twitter. They share anything new there, which is the 100 USDT alpha giveaway you can participate in. Also, you will find more and more details in their social media network. You can go to the description section and you can follow them there and contact with the project. And if you face any problem, for me, they have some great support technical team, which is good, and have already contacted them and they are very helpful, guys. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe channel. Also share the video with your friend if you like it. See you in another video review. Peace.